All right, welcome back, Philo in the Philippines, guys. How's everybody doing? Today I'm gonna take the Raider, my motorbike, over to Motortrade here in Cameroon, and just have the oil changed. Okay, I don't want to, bear the traffic all the way to SM North today, so this will be much easier for me. You guys know I'm having some wrist issues, and I gotta get the bike serviced. It's about 250 kilometers over for the oil change, and we're talking about going to take a motorbike ride tomorrow somewhere into Bulacan with Melanie's cousin. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully the wrist holds up. I gotta get out there, you guys. You know what I mean? I've got to get out there and do it. So whether I'm in pain or not, I'm gonna ride, and I've got to get the oil changed before I can take that ride. So come with me. We'll do a little motorcycle ride into Cameroon. It's not far from here. And then we'll take a look at the bikes that Motortrade has in stock while I'm there, and look at the prices of those, okay? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back in just a few minutes. Bike's up on the lift now. I don't know if you can see. Probably can't see that. We're at Motortrade. Let's go in and have a look at some of the bikes that they have in stock and what the prices are of the bikes, okay? They've got a quite a few used bikes here, as you can see. Some of them look pretty beat up, but they've got a large selection of used bikes. This is Motortrade Cameron, you guys. Oil change is about 300 pesos lang. 300 pesos lang. Hello, Pope. There she is. My mechanic. Giving her some fresh blood. '67.9 SkyDrive Sport Suzuki. Raider 150. Carburetor 96.9. Nice color on that one, red and black. Mio Sporty 67.9. All blacked out. It's a nice little scooter. Honda TMX. This is typically used for trikes. This is a trike motorcycle. Honda TMX 51.4 cash price. Not bad. Some of these are parked so close, you guys, I can't get in there to see. There's an NMAX. Philly Bryan's bike. Yamaha Aerox. Very nice. Look at the seat on this one, how wide the seat is. Very nice. This Aerox is a very nice Yamaha scooter. Very nice selection from Yamaha. No price on this though, I don't know. This is a Duke 200 KTM. KTM Duke. 150,000 cash price. Kawasaki 125. This is a Fury 65.4 cash price. 65.4. Oh, Kawasaki Barako 175. Probably the most popular motorcycle for trikes in the Philippines. 86,000 cash price. Honda Beat. Honda Beat. 64.9. Yeah, fine. Very nice. All right, so that'll give you an idea on the price of it. Just a few of the bikes here in North Caloocan City. Have a look at Cameron Road. nice to finally get this done, this oil change. I've been needing it. It's a relief to have it done. Anyway, guys, that's going to wrap up this vlog. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.